Hello students. So this is our fourth class on rational number. What is our topic today? Our topic is how to put rational number on number line, right? So what is number line? Number line is, you know already, positive and negative integer, right? Now how you can put on the number line? So let's say this is a straight line. In between you are having point O, which has the value 0. Now you are making equal parts. OA equals to AB equals to BC, equal parts both sides. This is the positive direction, this is the positive direction, and right side of 0 is positive direction and left side of 0 is negative. So all the parts are equal, and consider this is 1 unit. So OA equals to AB equals to BC equals to 1 unit. OA equals to AB equals to BC and so on equals to 1 unit. And consider the same thing also in the left part of 0, that is in the negative region. So OA dot equals to A dot B dot equals to B dot C dot and so on equals to 1 unit. You consider this. Now, if you remember fraction, what you have learned in fraction, that if I say 2 by 7, what does it mean in fraction? Fraction in 2 by 7 fraction, it means 2 parts from 7 equal parts. From 7 equal parts. Just remember this. According to fraction, already you have learned. 2 by 7 means 2 parts from 7 equal parts. 2 by 7, it is less than 1. Right? So when any number is given which is less than 1, you need to find out the region. It is less than 1. But what is the sign? So first you consider the sign. Sign is positive. Next, which region the point will lie? It is in between 0 and 1, because it is greater than 0 but less than 1. So it will be between 0 and 1. So now I will write down exactly what are the things you need to consider. Okay, so what is the trick? First you need to figure out what is the sign. What is the sign? You just look into the underlined part. What is the sign? So it is in the positive region, that means right side of 0, or left side of 0, negative. Second, you need to find out which region will the point lie. That means in between which 2 points the point will lie, right? Let's say if I say you point 2 by 7 on the number line, that means 2 by 7 is, it is greater than 0 but less than 1. That means it will lie between 0 and 1. If I say the point is 1, 2 by 3, from the mixed fraction, what you know, how you can express 1, 2 by 3, it is 1 plus 2 by 3. That means the number, that point lies between 1 and 2, because it is greater than 1, the 1, 2 by 3, this point is greater than 1 but less than 2. So it will lie between 1 and 2. And third point is, consider p parts from q equal parts. That means if I say there is one line, let's say there is one line, it is 0, it is 1 and it is 2. You need to find out 2 by 7. 2 by 7. If it is 2 by 7, that means it is between 0 and 1. It is greater than 0, less than 1. 2 by 7 is greater than 0, less than 1. So in between 0 and 1. Now, two parts, consider fraction. 2 parts from given 7 equal parts. So you divide into 7 parts between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 parts, right? So if it is 7 parts, then each of the point, what will be there? The first point will be 1 by 7. Because 1 part from 7 equal parts as per fraction 1 by 7. Second is 2 parts of 7 equal parts 2 by 7. This point will be 3 by 7. This point will be 4 by 7. This point will be 5 by 7. And this point will be 6 by 7. So now, if you are asked to figure point 2 by 7 on the number line, that's how you need to give. This point is 2 by 7. Let's say if it is O, this is A, this is B, and this is, let's say, D. So D is 2 by 7. That's how you need to divide. You need to find out the region, and then based on the fraction, the rational number, you need to divide that region into that many number of equal parts, what is there in the denominator, and you need to take from the numerator that many number of parts from the equal parts, right? Got it? So this is very simple. I will give another example here. Let's say you have been asked to put 2 3 by 5 on the number line. 2 3 by 5. What will you do? That means 2 3 by 5 means 2 plus 3 by 5. That means the point will lie between 2 and 3. So what will you do? You just one line, it is 0, it is 1, and it is 2. This side it is minus 1, it is 0, it is 1, and it is 2. So, sorry, 2 and then 3. Now it is 2 plus 3 by 5. That means in between, the point will lie in between 2 and 3 in this region. So how many division you need to make between 2 and 3? 5. Because 3 by 5 means 3 parts from 5 equal parts. So you need to create 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 3 by 5. That means this is 1. This is 1/5. This is 2/5. This is 3 by 5. 3/5. That means this point is actually 2 3 by 5. Got it? So that is how these 3 tricks you need to remember. Check the sign, which side of 0, then which region will the point lie, in between which 2 points, and point number 3 is consider just fraction, p parts from q equal parts, and accordingly you need to divide the distance between these 2 points and figure out the point you are looking for. Last one I am giving, let's say in the negative region, minus 2 5 by 7. So what is our step on? Check the sign, negative. So it is in the left side of 0. So you first of all you draw the line. If it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, right side, positive side. This side, it is minus 1, it is minus 2, and this is minus 3. So where the point will lie? Minus 2 by 5, 7. Minus 2 5 by 7 means minus 2 plus 5 by 7. So it will lie between minus 2 plus 5 by 7. That means where it will lie? Between minus 2 and minus 3. in between minus 2 and minus 3. Now, how many division you need to make? 2 plus 5 by 7. So, you need to make 7 division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divisions. Now, 5 by 7. You are coming from this side, from 0 side. So, this is 1 by, this is minus 2, 1 by 7, this is 2 by 7, this is 3 by 7, this is 4 by 7, this is 5 by 7. So, this point is minus 2, 5 by 7. You need to come up to minus 2 first and then 5 by 7. Got it? I hope you understood very clearly, right? Just remember this trick. Okay. If you liked it, click on like button. Do you need this kind of video again and again? Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.